Hi, everybody. This is Jim Abbott, former Major League Baseball player, and I'm proud and honored to be coming down to San Antonio, Texas to be a featured speaker at next year's Potato Expo. You know, not many kids grow up to play in the major leagues, and fewer yet will pitch a no-hitter for the New York Yankees. And only one person can say that he did these things despite being born missing his right hand. And I'm proud of my accomplishments on a baseball field. I'm proud of all the great places that I was able to play. But more importantly, I'm proud of the lessons that I took away from my playing days. From a Major League Baseball career, from a life in baseball, I've come to believe in the importance of creativity, of determination, of belief. I've come to believe that we are capable of so much more than we give ourselves credit for. I hope you'll join me in San Antonio, Texas, as we explore the ways that we can unlock that potential for greatness that lies within all of us. Until then, be safe, and I'll see you in Texas.